Guys, it's Lucy and welcome back to Slime Queen, and today I'm going to be making slime, but I'm going to be adding white Elmer's glue and clear glue mixed together. So let's just see how it turns out. So first I've got my gallon of white Elmer's glue. It's really runny. Okay, that should be good. And I'm going to try and add equal amounts, just so they're even. The glue's really runny. Like, it's like melted or something. Just trying to move it down for you guys. Okay, and then the clear glue. Okay, that should be good. Got clear glue on me. And I don't know if I should colour it. I might. Still got some slime on my thing. Whoa, okay. Okay, I need to add more clear glue, I think. Oh, I don't know. I'm just going to leave it. Okay, and then, yeah, I think I will add colour. Not sure what colour. I think I might make it. Let's see how... I have all different colours, so I'm just going to choose one, and I think I'm going to make it light blue. I think this is just going to give it like a thick texture because of the clear glue. Because the white glue is not very thick, and white and clear glue is. So I think a mix of them together will make it a little bit thick. Alright, I think I like that colour. Do you guys like that colour? Okay, now I'm going to activate it. Gosh, it is flying out the bowl. I added way too much. Oh gosh, don't go out. Whoopsies. I'm just gonna mix it. Let me get it on my jumpsuit. Okay, it seems I did not add enough actually. So I'm gonna add more. So when you're adding your activator, just add them very slowly. Because if you add too much, it'll just make your slime really hard and really grippy, really tough. Do little bits at a time, and you'll be fine. Okay, it's starting to get really chunky. Oh gosh, it's flying out the bowl again. It's okay. I'm just going to... I did just add a lot, but I'm not going to tip it out because I'm afraid that the slime will tip out again like it did before. I tried holding it back, but... And I've got lotion if it gets hard, so it'll be fine. So I don't really mind if I make my slime hard because I've got lotion. But I don't really want to add lotion today just because I want to see how it turns out without adding lotion. I'm going to go with my hands because it's like sliding around on the bowl. Kind of sticky. It's not that sticky. It is still a bit. Oh yeah, it is very sticky. Well, there was activator on the top. That explains why it wasn't sticky. I'm going to need this piece. Okay, yeah, I'll definitely need more activator because I like kneading a little piece and then once it's fully kneaded in to see if I'll need more activator or not. Because if I mix a little piece in and, you know, yeah, it's really nice. I really like this slime so far. Okay, I'm just going to keep kneading it. I don't think I'm going to add too much more activator. But I'm going to keep kneading it and kneading it and kneading it until it's actually good. Right, I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, here's my slime, and I really, really like it. Like, it's so good. So it has the texture of white glue, but it also has the texture of clear glue. It's a bit sticky. It's really nice slime. So I'm going to add just a little bit more activator, but not too much, just a little bit. Okay, that should be good. Okay, this slime is gonna be one of my favorites. I just know it. It is so good. I love this slime. Yeah, it's really nice. It's so thick, but it's not like too thick, which is why I like it. And it's pretty good. See, like, look at the texture of clear glue. This is the texture of clear glue, of like the thickness. This is the texture of the clear glue. And then, so it's like the clear glue is nice and thick, as you guys can see. Sorry guys, my camera is really annoying me. And then white glue is over here. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. And this is texture of white glue. See, this is the texture of white glue, and then that's the texture of clear glue. You guys can see the difference. And yeah. I keep my slimes under my table now, guys. That's the way I'm going to start doing it. Guys, you guys are going all over the place. But yeah, I really like this slime. So good. Because in my last video, my camera kept falling down, and it was really annoying me. So I've got something in front of it now. It's like a little thing. Got it in front of it now, so I'm like keeping the camera. Okay. And then yeah, so here's my slime. I really like it. I think I'm going to add just a little more colour. Not too dark, just to, you guys can see that colour right there. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and smash that like button. We'll see you on next time. Bye guys.